Hey all, and welcome to another video. So today we are on our I-Series NVR, and it's one of AcuSense, and we are going to be looking at the engine configuration. So what is engine configuration? First of all, let me show you where to go. So we go to Smart Analysis, and on the left hand side we've got engine settings. Okay, so we got engine configuration here, and we've got three options: facial recognition, perimeter protection, and motion detection 2.0. Alright, so to explain the engine, I'm going to give you an analogy. Imagine like an RPG game or something like that, where you've got a choice of three characters. Maybe the warrior, wizard, the healer. Whatever one you choose is going to give you different options where you go, okay? So you can't have all the features, you have to choose one of the three, and then you go down that path and you get those options for what you want, okay? So let me give you an example. So facial recognition, you can have one camera connected with face capture. Alright, so you can have one camera out of the 8 capturing faces and storing them onto your database. And then once you've created your database, then you can have up to 4 cameras on your system that analyzes those pictures and then can give you feedback depending on, you know, whether it's matched the faces or not. Okay, so like I said, just one for face capture is all you can have. Or you can go down the perimeter protection road. Okay, but before I go that, I just want to mention on the facial recognition, guys, this is a really tough thing to set up. Okay, I spent hours messing around with this. You cannot do it on the NVR. I repeat, you cannot do it on this NVR. What you have to do is log on with IVMS 4200, and then you can set up the facial detection. Okay, hopefully in the future, guys, I'm going to do a video. Right now I don't have one, but that's just my big tip is go to IVMS 4200. Okay. But now we're going to look at perimeter protection. We click on apply. Okay, switch the engine, yes please. Okay, now let's change it to perimeter protection. Now what is this? This is basically to do with motion detection, things like line crossing, intrusion detection. Okay, you can have up to 4 cameras added on the video analysis. All right, so that is basically 4 smart cameras. Now if you wanted all cameras on motion detection, then maybe you're better off just going with simple basic motion detection 2.0. Or if you don't use any motion detection, you don't want any facial detection features, then I'll probably stick with motion detection 2.0. Okay, so that's pretty much your engine options, guys. I hope you learned something. Thanks for watching, and hopefully catch you on another one. Got a whole little series on this NVR coming up, so hopefully see you on some other videos. Cheers, thanks, bye bye.